Hey there, welcome to ScanTalks, the official podcast from Creaform, the global leader in portable and automated 3D metrology solutions. Welcome to the Creaform podcast. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every quality control team and manufacturer thinking about 3D scanning technology. How to smartly integrate 3D scanning into your quality control process with scalability, usability, and future-proofing in mind.
Absolutely. Adopting 3D scanning can be a game changer, but it's not just about buying the latest gadget. It's about choosing the right technology for today's needs while making sure you're ready for tomorrow's challenges.
So whether you're new to 3D scanning or thinking about upgrading, stay tuned. We'll share practical steps and expert tips to make your QC processes more efficient and adaptable.
For those joining us for the first time, Creaform specializes in 3D metrology solutions designed to help manufacturers achieve precision, speed, and reliability in quality control. Our goal is to empower teams with technology that fits their workflows, skills, and growth ambitions.
The first smart step is to clearly understand your current quality control challenges. What parts or features are you measuring? How complex and large are your objects? How detailed must your scans be?
Good point. Different industries have different precision needs. Aerospace or automotive, for example, demand extremely tight tolerances. Other fields, like cultural heritage, may focus on capturing colors or textures more than geometry.
And don't forget to factor in your team. If you're short on skilled metrology experts, you'll want a system that's intuitive and user-friendly, so operators can quickly get up to speed.
Jumping straight to a fully automated QC line can be expensive and complex, costing upwards of $500,000, which isn't feasible for most businesses.
That's why handheld 3D scanners are a fantastic entry point. They're flexible enough for various environments and workpieces, cost-effective, and generally easier to integrate quickly.
Plus, many models are designed with simplicity in mind, requiring minimal training so your team can adopt them without disrupting current workflows.
Don't underestimate software. A great 3D scanner isn't just hardware, software is critical. Having integrated 3D scanning software from the same vendor minimizes compatibility headaches.
Very important point. And as you grow or your needs shift, it's essential to rely on manufacturers who provide modular upgrades and adaptable software. That way, your system evolves with you without forcing a complete overhaul.
Now, usability can't be stressed enough, especially given how hard it is to find and retain metrology experts. Introducing complex tools can slow things down, not speed them up.
Thankfully, many newer 3D scanners are highly intuitive, allowing operators across skill levels to deliver quality results without lengthy learning curves.
But what about price? Is going for the cheapest option wise?
Actually, no. Cheap scanners often come with hidden risks, less accuracy, missing faults, and unreliable hardware that can become costly in scrap or rework.
It's also worth noting that scanners designed or manufactured outside North America sometimes face durability and reliability issues. Solid manufacturer support, including training and global service, is key to maintaining uptime and productivity.
Finally, think big picture. Today's occasional quality checks could evolve into continuous quality control as your production scales.
Choose scanners built for the future, those backed by companies that regularly update software, release hardware add-ons, and have decades of experience innovating across industries.
This ensures your investment grows in value as new metrology technologies emerge. No need to start over with every upgrade.
Improving quality control with 3D scanning is not just a one-time purchase, but a strategic, long-term choice.
Balancing current needs and future flexibility means laying a foundation that improves quality standards, keeps you competitive, and allows you to adapt smoothly as your industry evolves.
By choosing portable, easy-to-use 3D scanners backed by strong software and manufacturer support, you're investing in a tool that will serve you and your business for years to come. Want to learn more? Visit Creaform3D.com for resources, case studies, and to schedule a personalized demo with our team. Let us help you find the perfect 3D scanning solution for your quality control journey. Whether you're upgrading your QA processes or starting fresh, we're here to help you measure with confidence.
Got questions or feedback? Or just want to keep learning? Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, or Instagram.
Like this episode, share it with someone who's curious about 3D tech, and don't forget to subscribe to ScanTalks wherever you get your podcasts. Thanks for listening. Join us next time on the Creaform podcast, where we'll explore innovations shaping the future of industrial metrology.